Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Dennis from Crypto Planet, also the Crypto Jew here and on Twitter. And right now we're going to be doing a WazirX exchange tutorial. So this is the largest exchange in India, and they've recently partnered up with Binance, and their exchange token also got listed on Binance. So this exchange is something that we should take seriously, and also their exchange token I would take seriously as well. I'm not going to be talking about their exchange token much here, but we're going to focus on the exchange right now. So what do you see in front of me? Is WazirX's referral program. This is one way that Binance actually got really big. They created a referral program and gave good commission rates. So if you guys are looking to sign up for WazirX, please make sure to use my referral link down below. You will also save on trading fees, which will naturally increase your profits as you accumulate more crypto over time by saving on those fees. So let's check out the homepage. So over here, you guys can see Bitcoin versus USDT. Now let's look at a specific altcoin. How about ZRX, for example? So you guys can see ZRX here. You could see that current bid is 0.3016 and current sell price is 0.3044. So what you do to have the lowest fees is you want to try and be a maker. As you guys can see over here, a maker pays 0.1% and a taker pays 2.25%. So if I want to purchase the asset immediately, I would purchase the 0.3044. But then I'm going to pay this 0.25% fee because I am a taker. Same thing if I sell the asset and I want to sell it immediately and I sell for the 0.3016. So what you want to do to become a maker rather than a taker and save on your trading fees is to go for a price in between somewhere. So if I want to purchase that asset and wait a little bit, possibly, depending on whether someone decides to sell it for what I'm bidding, I'm going to go for a number in between. So maybe I'll do 3025, and then I would go and I'd place my buy order. And if it doesn't go through, I could cancel and modify it if I want to, unless I'd rather just wait. So it's pretty simple. That's a great way to avoid on trading fees, as well as using my link to sign up. So don't forget about that. So let's check out the peer-to-peer trading. So with the peer-to-peer trading, you can buy and sell Bitcoin instantly with your bank account. There's zero fees, it's 100% safe, and this is the world's first auto-matching P2P engine. So I think something like this could really give Coinbase a run for its money. WazirX P2P is here to make fiat to crypto conversion cheaper, faster, and simpler for everyone. So I went to buy some crypto on Coinbase yesterday, and I paid about $20 in fees on a $500 transaction. With this platform, I wouldn't pay any fees. I'm sure this is probably not available in the US yet, but when it is, that would really be something huge. Right now, it's available in India, so even that is amazing. And it's the largest exchange in India. So you could see testimonials where the exchange has been featured. You could see stats. You could also download the app. They really have a lot on here. So next, we're going to look at STF. So as you guys can see, this looks like some sort of regular trading. But if you take a look over here, this is a smart token fund. So an STF, in simple terms, is a way of connecting investors to skilled traders, essentially helping the two grow their portfolios. So basically, you're copying someone else's trading. You're finding a skilled trader and you're buying a smart token, which is something that I believe they create or the exchange creates for them, and it allows you to basically copy their trades. As the trader does well, the smart token will go up in value, which is very interesting. It's something I've never actually seen before, and this sounds like something that could actually be very risky, but they talk about how it's safe to invest in it. Yeah, this would be hard to predict whether they go up or not. I'm going to look into this in a future video as well. Then you can also see your funds over there, right at this button right over here. You guys can see I have my WazirX in this exchange right now, and then you guys can also invite your friends. We were already on this page, and they also have contests on here as well. So they have 25,000 worth of BNB for sale over here. This is some sort of trading contest. And then over here, you can see your account settings, WRX mining. You can download the app, and you could also do this thing, which is called Deposit Demaka. And what this is basically it's some sort of, I guess, great way to get people to get onto the exchange. They're offering a 1% bonus for certain assets that you deposit onto the exchange. All you have to do is keep the asset on the exchange for 30 days. I believe this is going on until July. I may not be 100% correct, so don't quote me on that. You guys should definitely check that out for yourselves, but it's only for specific assets. For example, all the Ethereum I bring to this exchange, I will get 1% of in about 30 days, which is very nice. And if that Ethereum goes up in value, the Ethereum I get in a month from now will be up in value, which is fantastic. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope I made it very easy to show you guys how to use the exchange. It's pretty simple. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure to subscribe, thumbs up this video, and make sure to use my referral link when you sign up. That helps me accumulate more crypto, so I'd really appreciate that. Give me a follow on Twitter as well, and if you guys want to see fantastic crypto analysis, make sure to join the Telegram chat down below. Take care, guys.